for the short-term training program, which has been sponsored by AICTE and being conducted under AQIS. So very good morning to all of you. As we know that we all have gathered here for the online inaugural function of 1 week short-term training program on digitally controlled power converter for industrial and renewable application. This workshop has been sponsored by AICTE and is conducted under AQIS. Without taking much time, I want to welcome today's chief guest and resource person, Dr. Shailendra Jain, who is working as a director at Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Longowal, Punjab. I also welcome Dr. K.S. Vani sir, principal of our college, Dr. Sanjay Shekhawat, vice principal of our college, Dr. S.R. Suralkar, HOD ENTC department, Mr. V.S. Pawar, HOD Electrical Engineering department, and Dr. P.J. Shah sir, who is the convener of this STTP, all the coordinators and participants. In these 6 days, we would be able to taste various flavors of power electronic controls for different applications, which will be provided by many eminent speakers from the concerned field. So I would say that it will be a real technological feast for all of us. So for inaugurating this today's STTP, first of all, I would like to invite Dr. P.J. Shah, who is the convener of this STTP, for his introductory speech. So I welcome P.J. Shah sir.
Okay, thank you, Thakre sir. Good morning and welcome to all in the program. Today's chief guest and speaker of the program, Dr. Shailendra Jain, Director, Sant Longowal Engineering and Technology, Longowal, Punjab State. Dr. K.S. Vani, the principal of college. Dr. S.P. Shekhawat, vice principal of college. Dr. S.R. Suralkar, HOD ENTC. Mr. V.S. Pawar, HOD Electrical Department. We have around 90 participants who have joined us from the different states such as Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, New Delhi, Goa, and of course Maharashtra state. Good morning and warm welcome and happy Dashera. I hope and wish everyone and their family are in pink of health during the difficult time as the global COVID-19 pandemic is still peaking around many countries. It is important to note that despite of all around dispersion happening around us because of COVID-19 pandemic, we must continue to learn. In this sequel, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department and Electrical Engineering Department of SSBT College of Engineering and Technology, Jalgaon, Maharashtra are organizing AICTE sponsored online national level short-term training program on digitally controlled power converters for industrial and renewable applications, phase 1 under AICTE Quality Improvement Scheme from 26th to 31st October 2020. Phase 2 will organize on 23rd to 28th November 2020. Phase 3 will be organized on 14th to 19th December 2020. The main objective of this program is to update the faculty members, industry persons, and resource scholars about the use of advanced power electronic system in industrial and renewable applications. The program aims to address key issues such as designing, modeling, implementation, analysis, and study of associated power electronics controller for monitoring and protection of the various applications of industrial use. We know power electronics today is the most growing and popular field of electrical and electronics engineering. Most of electrical or electronics applications are controlled by power electronics converters due to the important features like high efficiency, small size, and low cost. Power electronics is also play important role in achieving energy efficiency and sustainable environment. I am very much thankful to AICTE for sanctioning the grant to conduct STTP, and my regards to Colonel B. Venkat, Director Faculty Development Cell AICTE, for guiding us time to time to organize online STTP. I am very much thankful to all speakers who have accepted our invitation, and they will present on recent trends of power converters and topology in the next 6 days. Our speakers are Dr. Shailendra Jain, Director, Sant Longwal Institute, Dr. M.A. Mullah from SVNIT Surat, Dr. Shailendra Sharma from SGSITS Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Dr. K.B. Khanchandani from SSGMC Shegaon, and Dr. Krishna Kumar Gupta from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala. Myself and Dr. P.V. Thakre will also deliver some lectures. My special thanks to team of National Infotech Surat. They will cover the all practical session during this program. So my special thanks to National Infotech Surat. Today this program was only possible because of the vision of our chairman governing body, Honorable Shri Rao Sahib Shekhawat, who has been the driving force behind whole process. I would like to convey my regards towards Dr. K. Swani, Principal, and Dr. S.P. Shekhawat, Vice Principal of our institute, who has given us inspiration and all necessary support for organizing this program. I am very grateful to organizing committee for their unlimited and unconditional effort to make this program success. Most importantly, I would like to thank all participants joining from all part of country. Their presence has made this program success. My best wishes to all participants. I hope you will take advantage of this STTP and will surely enjoy these 6 days. All the best. Stay safe, stay home, stay vigilant. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your valuable information, Shah sir. Now I would like to call online Dr. S.R. Suralkar, HOD ENTC, to highlight few points about the department.
Thank you, Thakre sir. Good morning to one and all. The chief guest of today's inaugural function, Dr. Shailendra Jain, our beloved principal, Dr. K.S. Wani, Vice Principal, Dr. S.P.S. Shekhawat, Dr. P.J. Shah, Coordinator, all the organizing committee members, and dear participants. I first of all want to welcome all for this inaugural function. In this pandemic, this type of the program is conducted, and during this period, the organizing committee members taken very much efforts for organizing this program. So I first of all thank to all the organizing committee members. In our department, this year, 2 programs, faculty development program and refresher course, are sanctioned by the AICTE. The department is organizing such events time to time from 1983, the year of establishment of the college and the department as well. Here before also, we have organized the AICTE sponsored seminars, workshop, STTP, international conferences, and the department is, as it was established in 1983 with the college, is developed during the last 36 years with the state-of-art equipments, laboratories, with research recognition from the KBCNMU, and the most important thing, which is the major strength of our department, is our highly qualified, experienced, and dedicated faculty. the department intake is 60 this year, and the results are very good during last all the years. So regarding this program, I congratulate the coordinator and organizing committee that all the 3 phases they have scheduled, and along with this, the next program we are going to organize from the 2nd November is on the machine learning and pattern recognition. We got huge response from all over India for both these programs, and in month of January we are organizing the international conference also. I hope you all will participate in these programs also, and from today for 1 week you will enjoy all the sessions and get benefited through this FDP. I will not take much more time. I will wind up my 2 words. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to call our Vice Principal, Dr. Sanjay Shekhawat, to give some valuable information about the recent trends in renewable applications. Over to you, Shekhawat, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to all. Chief guest of today's function, Dr. Shailendra Jain, our beloved Principal, Dr. A.S. Mani sir, Dr. Indalkar sir, Head of Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Professor B.S. Pawar sir, Head of Electrical Engineering Department, convener today's short-term training program, Dr. P.J. Shah sir, Dr. P.V. Thakre sir, and in participant, there is Dr. R.B. Lohani sir, Dr. Mani sir, all faculty members, Dr. and all dear participants. This function is on power converters for renewable applications. We all know that renewable energy sources are the need of today, and especially solar energy has emerged to be one of the most preferred sources of clean energy. Maybe it is due to its easy access and cost effectiveness. I'm very glad to share with you that we at our this campus installed 195 kilowatt solar roof, and in addition to this 100 kilowatt is in process. Maybe up to end of this year we will install this additional 100 kilowatt, so near about 300 kilowatt installation, solar PV installation at the campus. In spite at this campus, also near about 700 kilowatt installations already completed, and some additional is planned at our other campuses at Amravati, Akola, Amravati, Karanja, and one Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So I think this will ensure saving up a huge chunk on electricity bills, and also transforming to being an eco-friendly campuses. Educating businesses and citizens on the benefits of solar power production will be a positive step towards transforming to the clean energy and reducing the dependency on the conventional fuels. Therefore, adoption of solar will definitely be a positive step toward the transition to a sustainable and source of energy. And it is our commitment of our management, principal, staff members, all are actively participating in transforming the sources of energy from conventional to the renewable energy, and therefore we installed 300, near about 700 kilowatt of solar power plants at our various campuses. We all know that the electrical energy consumption is still rising, and there is a steady demand to increase the power capacity. And it is expected that in next 20 years, the demand of electricity will be double. And therefore, the distribution and use of energy should be technological efficient as possible as. Also, it is necessary to incentivize the end user. But in last month, there was one news that whatever the energy produced by the consumer, especially in, I'm talking about the grid connected solar power plants, the electricity generated, the rate is something disturbing, but it is not decided, it is in a plan. I think that is not correct. So therefore, deregulation of energy has to be needed because it lowered the investment in large power plants, which means that the need of new electric power sources may be very high in near futures. So in that respect, what I feel or what I experience from this installation of solar rooftops, there are two major challenges, especially in technological terms. First is to change the electrical power production sources from conventional to the renewable sources. So that adoption of renewable sources, transformation of the conventional to the renewable, so for that required awareness and incentivize policies of the government that is required. And another is to use high efficient power electronics. And therefore, here is the role of the power electronics is very important. Especially the components, high efficient components required, and therefore this efficiency and technological advancement of the components needed in electricity generation and distribution is only become more efficient by the sophisticated use of power electronics. We all aware that these innovations or the advancement in power electronics is required or need for lowering the cost and improving the efficiency and service life. So therefore, in addition, these devices need capabilities to improve the power plants are more grid friendly, reliability and security via advanced control and system integration. Therefore, the recent progress in wideband gap devices technology and advanced manufacturing and packaging techniques offers new opportunities for innovative designs that can achieve higher efficiency, higher power density and improve the equipment reliability. So therefore, here is the role of the power electronics is very important. Other design opportunities include coordinated voltage and power flow control, system operation in microgrids, synthetic inertia grid support, and our power project should be more and more grid friendly and to minimize the losses and easily transformation or easily exchange of the energy between the conventional grid and renewable grid. So therefore, in near future, as the transformation from conventional to renewable is increasing, I think 80% of electricity in near future could flow through the power electronics by 2030. Hence, in the next decade, it is very interesting to see how the inverters or the improved inverters, converters and rectifiers at various voltage and power ratings that support utility scale, commercial, industrial and residential photovoltaic system. So power electronics is a key technology which I feel that which can minimize the cost of the plant, make the plants more efficient, and therefore this technological advancement in the power electronics will definitely cut the cost and more efficient power plants will be installed in near future. So I wish all the best to the all participants and to discuss the all respected technological area of this power converters, power electronics for renewable applications. I hope all participants will enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shekhar sir, for such a nice information. Now I would like to request our beloved principal, Dr. K.S. Vani, to address the gathering with his valuable words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Thakre sir. Distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Shailendra Jain, Director, Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Longowal, Punjab. Professor S.P. Shekhawat, Vice Principal and GB member of our college. Professor Suralkar, Head, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. All distinguished faculty participants, my colleagues, staff members, Professor Thakre, and convener of this program, Professor P.J. Shah. I welcome you all for this inaugural function of 1 week STTP program on digitally controlled power converters for industrial and renewable applications, organized by Department of Electronics and Telecommunication and Department of Electrical Engineering between 26th to 31st October 2020, sponsored by AICTE New Delhi. On behalf of our college, I am very thankful to Dr. Jain for accepting our invitation and to be as a chief guest and part of this program. I am thankful to all resource persons for
We have to wait for a while as there is a power problem.
Hello. येते? Sorry for the interruption. So let me continue. On behalf of our college, I am very thankful to Dr. Jain for accepting our invitation to be as a chief guest and part of this program. I am thankful to all resource persons for accepting our invitation for conducting the various sessions of this program. My special thanks are due to Professor Mullah from SVNIT Surat for his magnanimous support for the on-site training, which is one of the crucial part of this program. I appreciate the sincere efforts of Professor Shah and his team for organizing this program with zest and zeal. Friends, this college has been established in the year 1983 at the auspicious hands of Her Excellency Srimati Pratibha Patil, the first woman president of India. Under the astute leadership of Sri Rao Sahib Shekhawat, chairman governing body of this college, the college has culminated to this height. The college was accredited 3 times by NBA. Presently, it is NAAC accredited with B++ grade with a CGPA of 2.91. It is also ISO 9001:2015 certified. Under the able guidance of the management, college is progressing with the right pace to satisfy its mission and vision. The word power comes from the Latin word potere, which means to be able, but things with power are much more than able. The word power has different meanings, such as possession of the qualities, especially mental qualities, required to do something or get something done. In physics, it is the rate of doing work. In general sense, it is the physical strength or might or mightiness. It is also the possession of controlling influence. So, sun, wind waves, tides, geothermal energies, energy from waste, and so many. It is also known that the main aim of converters is to produce conditioning power with respect to certain application. I am sure that in this 1 week STTP, you will acquire advanced knowledge about the power converters and will get hands-on training, though online. I would like to bring your attention towards the human power, which can be used to produce energy. Humans emit energy that can easily be harnessed from everyday behavior. A London-based company, Electric Pedals, is using the pedal power technology to generate electricity for events such as outdoor cinemas, educational workshops, and music stages. Persistent mobile phone users must never stray too far from a power supply or suffer from anxiety of their battery draining. But the reactor in an iPhone case embedded with an ultra-thin generator enables to manually charge the battery by turning a handle plugged into the back of it. So this is not a novel idea, but the concept sheds light on how human power can be a viable solution during emergencies and how effectively it is available on demand. So experts and scientists may work on this concept to deal with the situations like COVID-19 pandemic. I hope this STTP will be helpful to everybody participating to enhance their skill and knowledge in the field of power electronics, in the field of power converters and their applications. With this, I conclude. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words.
Today we have with us such an eminent personality who has given a new direction and thought in the field of power electronics control.
Yes, Dr. Shailendra Jain, who is presently working as a director, Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Punjab, who will be delivering the today's session also. So I request Jain sir to kindly say a few words as a part of this inaugural function.
Welcome,
sir.
Thank you, Dr. Prashant. Respected Professor K.S. Vani, Principal, SSBT College of Engineering and Technology, Jalgaon. Professor S.P. Sekhawat, Vice Principal. Dr. Prashant and Dr. P.J. Shah, a very active and dynamic faculty and coordinator of this particular program. I know Prashant since he was pursuing his master's from an NIT Bhopal, and the kind of zeal, enthusiasm, and basically honest efforts put by him to earn the degree, that is commendable, and that because of that ability and attitude, he is today holding this particular position and working for the overall development of the faculty. Dr. Shah, I know him as he was associated with my supervisor of master program at SGSITS Indore. Other faculty members and dear participants, I welcome you all on this particular inaugural function of AICTE sponsored short-term training program. This pandemic gave us an opportunity to learn, though we all teachers are lifelong learner, and that is why we call this process as teaching learning process. But this pandemic placed a challenge before us, and I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the faculty members of the country that they have accepted the challenge and kept the things moving in each and every academic institutions in the form of learning whatever the means possible, keeping the morale of our students high during this particular time when everything was standstill. We faculty member has played a vital role, a very, very important role to keep them motivated and keep learning without any stoppage. So I extend my sincere thanks to all Corona warriors who are working behind the screen. There are some people who are working actively, maybe doctors, nurses, hospital staff, police administration. But we, the teachers, we are also not behind. We are joining our hands together and keeping the things of learning by the students on. The very important point which we have learned during this particular period is to make ourselves technology friendly, to use the technology for the benefit of teaching learning process. And the most important component, which was earlier also the part of our profession, that is self-discipline and self-learning. So this online platform has offered us to keep our learning abilities, to increase our horizon, increase our bandwidth so that we can contribute for the learning of the students community. So I extend my sincere thanks and congratulations to entire organizing team of SSBT College. Special thanks and congratulations to Dr. Paresh and Dr. Prashant for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts with the faculty members and participants. I wish a grand success for this particular mission of learning by all faculty and research scholar for ultimate goal to teach the future of the country and make them a future effective and efficient engineers. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. Now it is a part of this program that I have to give a vote of thanks. And immediately after this vote of thanks, we will start today's session. This permission is given by Jain sir. Repeat. So, I am very much, first of all, very much
thankful to Honorable Shri Rao Sahab Shekhawat, our Managing Trustee, who is always an inspiring man for us whenever we are organizing such type of activities. He is always providing us all the facilities and whatever in the financial matter or anything, he is always behind us. So thank you very much, sir. Then I am very much thankful to Dr. K.S. Vani sir, principal of our college, who is time to time always guiding us. I am also thankful to Dr. Sanjay Shekhawat, vice principal of our college. I am very much thankful to Dr. S.R. Suralkar, HOD ENTC. I am very much thankful to Mr. V.S. Pawar, HOD Electrical Engineering Department. I am very much thankful to the convener of this STTP, Dr. P.J. Shah, all committee members, all the resource persons who have accepted our invitation for delivering sessions in our STTP. And my special thanks to National Infotech Surat for their contribution in this workshop. So thank you very much. And I am also thankful to all the participants who have joined this workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so let us start today's session, first session. Before starting the session, I would like to introduce today's speaker, Dr. Shailendra Jain. Dr. Shailendra Jain has done his bachelor's from SGITS Indore. He has nearly 23 years of experience. His specialization is power electronics, electrical drives, power quality improvement, then power filters, active power filters, multi-level inverters, electrical vehicular system, distributed generation, application of artificial intelligence in electrical system, high-speed transit system. As far as his publication is concerned, he has nearly 70 publications in international journal, out of which 34 are from SCI and 34 are from SCI and remaining from other peer-reviewed journals. He has presented nearly 100 research papers in various international and national conferences. He is also the member of various professional bodies such as IEEE, IEI, STI, IST. He has visited a lot of countries. He has guided the PhD research work, MTech thesis, BTech projects. As far as the projects consultancy is concerned, he has a lot of sponsored projects undertaken. That is design, implementation and performance evaluation of ACIG based small hydro turbine in microgrid system. It was of nearly 28.87 lakhs. Then development of DSP controlled multi-level inverters, about 15 lakhs. DSP controlled active power filters for power quality improvement, nearly 10 lakhs. development of power conditioner for fuel-based distributed generation, nearly 13.5 lakhs. He has consultancy projects he has handled. Then, as far as the administration work is concerned, he has worked as Dean, HOD Electrical, Advisor Student Council, Associated Dean, then Professor in charge, and presently working as a director at Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology. He has bagged various awards also. That is 2016 Outstanding Branch Counselor Award, received Career Award for Young Teachers. He was honored by the Institution of Engineers also. So, with this introduction, I would like to invite today's speaker, Dr. Shailendra Jain, sir. Welcome, sir. Sir, kindly unmute your mic, sir.
Hello.
Sir. Now it is audible.
Okay. My screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you, Prashant, for an extended introduction. As already spoken by the various speakers, the course is mainly on the aspect of digitally controlled power electronic converter. It is basically the power of the brain which control the muscular power. The muscle power is provided by power electronic converter, but ultimately it is the brain who control the activities of the human body. Similarly, all power electronic converters have revolutionized the industrial, residential or domestic applications because of the availability of very accurate and precise digital control techniques. The use of artificial intelligence to inculcate the control aspects in power electronic converters is experimented and successfully implemented in various applications. Fuzzy logic control is among one of them. While implementing the control, we need to model a particular system. And as you all are aware, when we study the electrical engineering theorems for mathematical modeling of any particular system, we start with any linear bilateral network. That means all these theorems are valid if your system is linear, your system is bilateral. Moment we talk about power electronic converters, they uses the semiconductor devices as a switch. And these semiconductor devices are unidirectional, maybe a diode or a SCR or any other self-commutated device. So moment we introduce any semiconductor device as a switch, it basically does not